Ito dyan, 15-1-2 ngayong araw ng linggo, Pincha 2. 10 to 20 na southwest sa umaga, mag-southeast mamang hapon na 2 to 3 feet. Bukas, Lunes, Pincha 3, 10 to 27 na southwest, 2 feet. Pincha 4, Martes, 10 to 23 na southwest sa umaga, mag-northwest sa hapon at 2 to 3 feet. Pincha 5, Miyerkules, 10 to 23 na northeast, 3 feet. Pincha 6, Huwebes, 10 to 23 na northwest, 3 feet. Pincha 7, Biyernes, 5 to 18 na east northeast, 3 feet. Pincha 8, Sabado, 15 to 36 na southwest, kabagat ulit na 3 feet. Pincha 9, Linggo, 25 to 47 na southwest, 4 to 5 feet. Pincha 10, Lunes, 30 to 15 na southwest, 4 to 5 feet. At Pincha 11, Martes, 22 to 40 na southwest, 4 feet. Nakapiyami kong Joyard dyan sa 15-1-2. Wala naman ligaw, ingat, maganda ng wag. 15-1-2 tayo ngayong araw ng linggo, Pincha 2, 10 to 21 na southeast, 2 to 3 feet. Bukas, Lunes, Pincha 3, 10 to 27 na southwest, habagat ulit na 2 to 3 feet. Pincha 4, Martes, 10 to 20 na southwest sa umaga, mag-northwest sa gabi na 2 to 4 feet. Yung 4 feet niya sa gabi pa na. Pincha 5, Miyerkules, 5 to 15 na southwest, 4 feet. Pincha 6, Huwebes, 10 to 20 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Pincha 7, Biyernes, 10 to 26 na southwest, 3 feet. Pincha 8, Sabado, 25 to 45 na southwest, 4 feet. Pincha 9, Linggo, 27 to 48 na southwest, 5 feet. Pincha 10, Lunes, 22 to 42 na southwest, 5 feet. At Pincha 11, Martes, 20 to 40 na southwest, 4 to 5 feet na lang din per month. Kopya. Maghahabagat lang sa Pincha 8. Kopya. Ingat yun. 16-4 ngayong araw ng linggo, Pincha 2, 10 to 20 na southeast, 2 to 3 feet. Bukas, Lunes, Pincha 3, 15 to 31 na southwest, 2 to 3 feet. Nabaga. Sa Martes, Pincha 4, 10 to 21 na southwest sa umaga, mag-northwest sa tanghali hanggang gabi na 3 to 4 feet. Pincha 5, Miyerkules, 10 to 20 na southwest sa umaga, mag-northwest sa hapon na 4 feet. Pincha 6, Huwebes, 10 to 20 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Pincha 7, Biyernes, 10 to 20 na southeast, 3 feet. Pincha 8, Sabado, magbabagat ulit, 17 to 32 na southwest, 3 to 4 feet. Pincha 9, Linggo, 27 to 46 na southwest, 5 to 6 feet. Pincha 10, Lunes, 25 to 47 na southwest, 5 to 6 feet. At Pincha 11, Martes, 23 to 42 na southwest, 5 feet na lang din. Pader, kopya. Wala naman medyo bigong pader, ingat mga mga. Ngayong araw ng linggo dyan sa 16-1-2-3, Pincha 2, 10 to 20 na southeast, 2 to 3 feet. Bukas Lunes, Pitya 3, 15 to 30 na southwest, 2 to 3 feet. Pitya 4 Martes, 10 to 22 na east-northeast, 2 to 4 feet. Yung 4 feet niya sa hapon. Pitya 5, Miyerkules, 10 to 23 na northwest sa umaga, mag-northeast sa hapon na 4 feet. Pitya 6, Huwebes, 10 to 20 na east-southeast, 3 to 4 feet. Pitya 7, Biyernes, 10 to 20 na east-southeast, 3 feet. Pitya 8, Sabado, 20 to 40 na southwest, kabagat ulit na 3 to 4 feet. Pitya 9, Linggo, 30 to 55 na southwest, 4 to 6 feet. Pitya 10, Lunes, 33 to 50 na southwest, 6 feet. At Pitya 11, Martes, 26 to 43 na southwest, 4 to 5 feet na lang din. May kutupak po yan. Roger, wala naman. Magkakaman. 1, 17 na ito po. O, ngayon araw ng linggo dyan, Pitya 2, 17 na ito po, 10 to 20 na southwest, 2 to 3 feet. Bukas Lunes, Pitya 3, 15 to 31 na southwest sa umaga, mag-northwest sa gabi na 3 feet. Pitya 4, Martes, 15 to 32 na northwest, 4 to 5 feet. Pitya 5, Miyerkules, 10 to 28 na este, 4 to 5 feet. Pitya 6, Huwebes, 10 to 26 na este, 4 feet. Pitya 7, Biyernes, 10 to 20 na east-southeast, 4 feet. Pitya 8, Sabado, 15 to 30 na southwest, o napagat ulit na 4 feet. Pitya 9, Linggo, 25 to 48 na southwest, 5 to 6 feet. Pitya 10, Lunes, 32 to 50 na southwest, 6 feet. At Pitya 11, Martes, 22 to 43 na southwest, 5 to 6 feet. Napagyan ni Gurong Rohan sa 17, 1 to 2. Roger, wala na naman mo. Ingat yan. Ito, Royal, 18, 1 to 3, ngayong araw ng linggo, Pitya 2. 15 to 30 na southwest, 3 feet. Bukas Lunes, Pitya 3, 22 to 43 na southwest sa umaga, mag-northwest sa tanghali hanggang gabi na 3 to 5 feet. Yung 5 feet niya sa gabi. Pitya 4, Martes, 15 to 33 na northwest sa umaga, mag-northeast sa hapon na 5 feet. Pitya 5, Miyerkules, 17 to 33 na northeast, 4 to 5 feet. Pitya 6, Huwebes, 10 to 25 na east-northeast, 4 feet. Pitya 7, Biyernes, 15 to 31 na este, 4 feet. Pitya 8, Sabado, 15 to 31 na southeast, 4 feet. Pitya 9, Linggo, 20 to 41 na southwest, kabagat na 4 to 6 feet. Pitya 10, Lunes, 25 to 42 na southwest, 6 feet. Meron siyang 30 to 50 pero madaling araw na ng Martes, Pitya 11. Pitya 11, 15 to 37 na southwest, 5 to 6 feet. Nakopya may kumuya dyan sa 18, 1 to 3. Wala naman, may ingat, maganda. O, 10, 1 to 6 ngayong araw ng linggo, pitya 2. 5 to 18 na este. Repeat. Bukas Lunes, pitya 3. 5 to 17 na southeast. 2 repeat. Pitya 4 Martes, o mag-abaga na 10 to 24 na southwest. Topit. Pitya 5 Miyerkules, 10 to 20 na southwest. 2 to repeat. Pitya 6 Webes, 10 to 22 na southwest. Repeat. Pitya 7 Biyernes, 15 to 31 na southwest sa umaga, mag-southeast sa hapon na repeat. Pitya 8 Sabado, 15 to 32 na southeast, repeat. Pitya 9 Linggo, 15 to 37 na southeast, repeat. Pitya 10 Lunes, 21 to 40 na southeast, 4 to 5 feet. At pitya 11 Martes, 17 to 36 na southeast, 3 to 4 feet. Diyan sa 10, 1 to 6. Ito yung sabi. Okay. Ayos lang. Ito may kong chikboy. 12, 118 ng araw ng linggo, pitya 2. 10 to 23 na northeast, 1 to 2 feet. Bukas Lunes, pitya 3, 11 to 13 na southwest, 1 feet. Pitya 4 Martes, 5 to 16 na southwest, 1 feet. Pitya 5 Miyerkules, 10 to 27 na southeast, 1 to 2 feet. Pitya 6 Webes, 10 to 25 na southwest, 2 feet. Pitya 7 Biyernes, 10 to 28 na southwest, 2 feet. Pitya 8 Sabado, ito na, magsisimula na. 15 to 36 na southwest, 2 to 3 feet. Pitya 9 Linggo, 40 to 64 na southwest, 5 to 8 feet. Yung 8 feet niya sa gabi at yung 60 na bugso alas 2 ng hapon mag-umpisa. Pitya 10 Lunes, 40 to 62 na southwest, 7 to 8 feet. At pitya 11 Martes, 22 to 42 na southwest, 5 to 7 feet. Nakopya ni kong checkboy dyan sa 12, 1 naman. Wala naman ni ko, ingat. Maganda ang mga